Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of Challenging C Problems series. So here we are going to develop a smart fitness advisor system for a health app that will calculate the daily calorie requirements and suggest a user that they should lose, gain or maintain weight based on the BMI. So we are going to take the following inputs. First, the age of the user, that should be an integer. Then the gender of the user, 1 if he is male, 2 if she is female. Then the weight of the user in kg, that will be a double. Then the height of the user in centimeter, that will also be a double. Then the activity factor, that could be 1.2 or 1.55 or 1.725. Okay, so let us start solving the problem. So I am going to make the file prob1.c. So first we have to include stdio.h and main turn 0. Now first I am declaring the input variables. So we need a integer. We need to take the age of the user as integer, then the gender of the user as integer. Then we need to take double of the weight of the user, then the height of the user, and then the activity factor. Then we'll write the code to take the input from the user. Now we need to calculate the BMI. So for BMI, we need to divide the weight with the height in meters and the square. And the height we are getting, it is in centimeter. So we need to first convert it into meters. So when we convert centimeter to meter, we need to multiply it by 10 to the power minus 2. And here we are doing square. So we need to multiply with 10 to the power minus 4. So in our formula, we will divide the weight with the height and multiply it with 10 to the power 4, that is 10,000. Okay, now so let's calculate the BMI. So first we have to declare the variable. So BMI is the weight divided by height square and multiply it with 10,000. Now we need to calculate the calories, and it's different for male and different for female. So let's declare the variable for calories. If gender is equals to 1, then calories is equals to 88.362 plus 13.397 multiplied with the weight plus 4.799 to multiply with height minus 5.677 into age, and this whole multiplied with the activity factor. And else if the gender is female, let's assume the user gave the input either 1 or 2. So the calories will be equals to 447.593 plus 9.247 multiplied with weight plus 3.098 multiplied with height minus 4.330 multiplied with age, and this whole will be multiplied with the activity factor. Now in the output, first we have to show the BMI, then we have to show the category, and these are the categories. If it is less than 18.5, then the user is underweight. If it's between 18.5 to 24.9, then the user is normal. If it's between 25 to 29.9, then it's overweight. And if it's greater than equals to 30, then it's obese. And based on these categories, we need to recommend the calories. So whatever calories we got, we need to add this with it and give it in the. So first we will print the BMI. You can print right after this printer, and we have to print it up to 2 decimal places. So we will do 0.2 percentage, 0.2 left, and we need to write the BMI. BMI is backslash then our BMI. So it will print the BMI. Next, we need to make the categories based on the BMI. So we'll write a if proof condition. BMI is less than 18.5, then category is underweight. So printf category is underweight backslash n, and we need to write the recommended calories. So printf recommended calories is percentage point to lf backslash n. So here we will write the calories plus 300. Now else if BMI is greater than equals 18.5 and BMI is less than equals to 24.9, then the category is normal, and we won't add any calories to it, external calories as it is that the user takes. Then else if the BMI is greater than equals to 25 and BMI is less than equals to 29.9, then in this case the category is overweight, and the recommended calories will be the calories calculated minus 300. Else if it's greater than 30, then the category of the user is obese, and the calories will be the calculated calories minus 500. Let's run the code. So here we are going to give the following sample input. So these are the input, and we got the output as BMI as 22.86, category is normal, the recommended calories is 22,672.28. Now let's give our different inputs. Suppose the age is 10 years and it is a male and the weight is 50 kilogram and the height is suppose 150. An activity factor, let's assume 1.55. So currently we got normal. Now let's change this only. Make the age 10, gender male, weight 80 kilogram. The height let's reduce is 130 centimeter. The activity factor let's do this 1.20. So now the BMI becomes 47.34, category becomes obese, and recommended calories becomes lesser than the previous one because the person is already taking too much calories. So we have finally finished this problem. If you have any doubts relating this, you can ask in the comment. If you found this video useful, please like the video, and if you want to watch more such videos like this, make sure to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.